Hello everyone, my name is Kushagra Dubey and I am a UPSC civil aspirant. I am currently studying in Jaipur and preparing for my UPSC exam. So I have decided that every day I'll be uploading some videos upon some topics. If you all consider them like they're helpful to you or you find it easy, then you can watch my video, and of course you can like, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. So I'll be basically putting videos regarding history and polity, and obviously in polity, after polity it can be of PSIR, meaning political science and international relations. So there will be topics which will be covered from history, polity, and political science and international relation. So if you have any doubt or if you're finding it difficult, then you can comment, and then after that I'll look onto it, and then I'll come with a solution. So basically for introduction, like for today I'll be just uploading this video, and for introduction basis I'll be uploading a small content which is like about constitution. So most of you all must know constitution, that what is the meaning of constitution, so like how and why this word has come and what is the meaning of constitution. So basically constitution is the supreme or fundamental law of our country. It means that constitution is the supreme, सबसे बड़ा and the fundamental law. I know your words थोड़े बड़े बड़े हैं, and you must be knowing that what is fundamental and what is everything. मैं इन सब चीज़ों की अलग अलग वीडियोस डालूंगा, ताकि ये जो वर्ड्स आते हैं जैसे सुप्रीम, फंडामेंटल एंड डेमोक्रेटिक, लिबरलिज्म, इन सब का मतलब मैं एक एक वीडियो में समझाता रहूँगा. So for today we'll be studying a small topic, small definition of constitution. So what is a constitution? It is the supreme or fundamental law of any country. And after that we can know that the power of each of the organs of the government, the power of each of the organs of the government. What are the powers of each of the government? Like power government की मतलब organs गवर्नमेंट के जो शक्तिशाली ऑर्गन्स एक गवर्नमेंट के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाते हैं. शक्तिशाली ऑर्गन्स कैसे होते हैं एक गवर्नमेंट के? शक्तिशाली ऑर्गन्स कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? बेसिकली देयर आर थ्री ऑफ देम: एग्जीक्यूटिव, लेजिस्लेटिव एंड जुडिशरी. हम लोगों ने बेसिक चीज़ पढ़ी है कि एग्जीक्यूटिव क्या होता है, जुडिशरी क्या होता है, लेजिस्लेटिव क्या होता है. नहीं पता है तो कोई